Hello, this is Kenji Kumara, and welcome to Joyful Tune-ins, short daily meditations to set your day. And today we're going to do a tune-in for sleep, for deep REM sleep, for deep, powerful, healing REM sleep. So we suggest that you do this just before you go to bed, and that will help set the energies for your dream time. So let's close the eyes and make sure your body's in a very comfortable position. It could be laying on top of your bed, or in a chair, or laying on the floor, or sitting cross-legged in yoga posture. So we're going to use the power of the breath to focus our intention. So we're going to breathe in through the nose, and we're going to breathe in deep calm and relaxation for the nervous system. Take a deep breath in, into the belly, up into the lungs, up into the pineal, pituitary, and thalamus regions of the brain. And slowly exhaling, letting go of the day, letting go of your to-do list, letting go of everything that you didn't get done today, that you forgot to do today, letting go of all people, places, and things, letting go of the whole day. And coming into this present now moment, breathing in again, deep calm and relaxation. I am here, I am now, I am. Take it deep into the belly, deep into the lungs, deep up into the forehead. Slowly let go of the stress and anxiety from the day. You're going to let go of everybody else's emotions. And you're going to disengage all cords to all humans. Creating very clear, sacred space for yourself and your body. Take another deep breath in, calm and peace, tranquility. Take it deep into the nervous system, allowing the brain to prepare for sleep and deep relaxation, allowing the pineal to reset to sleep time. Exhale, letting go, letting go, letting go, relaxing all the muscles in your body, forehead, TMJ, shoulder muscles, fingers, toes, arms. Allowing the body to go into deep calm and relaxation. And you're going to create the intention as you go to sleep tonight that you're going to go into deep, your body's going to go into deep REM sleep for rejuvenation and healing. And your spirit's going to be free of the earth plane, of the collective fourth dimensional consciousness. It's going to be free of all the chaos in the world. And your spirit's going to soar deep into the heavenly realms, deeper into the higher states of awareness, meeting your guides, playing with your guides, playing with the angels and the unicorns, the dragons, the elementals, ascended masters, beings of light, connecting up with your soul group. And eventually bringing your spirit back into source for complete recharge spiritually, energetically. And allow for a deep cleansing of your chakra system, your auric field, your magnetic field, of the space around you in your home, in your workplace. Allow the vital light to come in and cleanse and purify and uplift all dense energies. And as you come back to the body, knowing that you have reset your system, your physical system for deep REM sleep, for visions, for spiritual experiences. And when you awaken in the morning, you will have remembrance of where you were and what occurred. So coming back to the body now, preparing for deep sleep, healing, restoration, and rejuvenation for the body and the mind. Coming back fully awake, alert, alive, knowing that you are loved and supported in all ways, in all times, 24/7. And knowing this, you are now at peace with yourself, with your body, with your life. And so it is. Many blessings.